Okay, so here we go. Instructional tutorial number 5. This is nostalgia for me. I don't know about you guys, but highlights magazines were kind of like it back when I was a kid. This was the epitome of awesome. So you'd go to a dentist's office, and sitting there would be highlights magazines. If you're lucky, somebody hadn't already done all the hidden pictures, which is this thing is loaded with. I've always wondered also the curiosity of this. Clearly, it's geared for students. Like, what was the purpose of the hidden pictures? So I literally researched that. And so the purpose and the objective, the goals of it would come out of something just as simple as this was it promotes attention to detail, increases vocabulary because the kids associate the words with the pictures, instills good work habits because they're spending more activity on it and they helps them to focus and concentrate. And it develops self confidence as well because usually it says a child can often spot something that an adult or an older child misses. So that's pretty cool. Um, and it says improves visual perception because the ability to recognize figures in a variety of contexts. So this thing is just loaded up with these hidden pictures, which I think are the best thing anyway, on the Highlights magazine. But they also do have activities. There's a couple for teachers, but it's not as good as like the primary games that I talked about before. A few crafts and things like that. I think the beauty in this is in the hidden pictures aspect, but they do have a few science things, like one that my daughters have even asked this. Boom. Why is the sky blue? I don't know how many times I've heard that, and I always have to go to a YouTube video because I forget myself. So anyway, but right here we are. So if they need to know something like that, it's there. Uh, I haven't looked at the listen tab yet. I'm not sure. Okay. So just a general thing. So pretty cool little thing. Like I said, my kids would really enjoy just the hidden pictures because they absolutely love those things. So I think just for a quick one, just to have a game, like I said, after me learning the purpose of the hidden pictures, I think it's well worth hopping on here just to have this. Definitely keeps them focused and learning. There's a ton of them on here. So anyway, that is the last one and one that I just kind of like because it takes me back to when I was a kid. So hopefully somebody will use this. So have a good day.